1951 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Price, $8,950. Location, Indiana, USA. The 1951 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is the kind of classic truck that instantly captures attention. Finished in a naturally aged Windsor blue patina, this pickup proudly displays decades of history across every panel. Unlike restored examples, this truck tells a genuine story through its weathered paint, rounded fenders, and unmistakable post-war styling that made Chevrolet trucks famous throughout America. The Chevrolet 3100 belongs to the legendary Advanced Design Series, one of the most important truck generations ever produced by Chevrolet. Introduced after World War II, these trucks featured a larger cab, improved visibility, and a more comfortable driving experience. Their bold grille design and rugged construction quickly earned them a reputation as dependable workhorses for farms, businesses, and families across the country. The power comes from a classic inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Although this particular truck is currently not running, it remains an exciting opportunity for collectors and restorers. Many enthusiasts dream of finding a project vehicle with this level of originality, offering the chance to either perform a complete restoration or preserve its authentic barn-find character. The exterior is filled with details that define the golden age of American pickups. The chrome front bumper, steel wheels, Chevrolet hubcaps, split windshield, and signature front grille all contribute to its timeless appearance. Adding even more charm is the wooden bed floor, a feature that perfectly complements the truck's vintage personality and working-class heritage. The interior remains simple, functional, and true to its roots. A maroon bench seat welcomes occupants into a cabin designed for practicality rather than luxury. Manual crank windows, vent windows, and a straightforward dashboard remind drivers of an era when trucks were built to perform hard work every day while maintaining exceptional durability. The most incredible part of this truck story is its reported 50-plus years in storage. Imagine the memories this Chevrolet has witnessed throughout the decades before being parked and forgotten. Long-term survivor vehicles like this are becoming increasingly rare, making discoveries such as this highly desirable among classic vehicle enthusiasts. The combination of authentic patina, historical significance, and restoration potential makes this 1951 Chevrolet 3100 a remarkable find. Whether transformed into a show-quality masterpiece, maintained as a preserved survivor, or customized into a unique street truck, the possibilities are endless. At just $8,950, this forgotten American classic represents an exciting opportunity to own a genuine piece of automotive history.